Hello everyone, my name is Peter and I'm from Cine-Q. We have a series of videos demonstrating how personalized videos can be applied for a wide range of industries, placing our imaginary character, Quentin, into various situations. Today we're going to take a look at a basic example of how banks can use personalized videos to alert their customers about suspicious activities on their account. But before we get into it, let's do a quick recap on what is a personalized video. Personalized video, as the name suggests, contains elements that are unique to the individual, which greatly increases viewers' engagement and ultimately the ROI on your video marketing. A common example is when the viewer's name is being mentioned in the video, but you can also get quite sophisticated with it. We prepared a video about this that goes into more detail, so if you haven't watched it, then I encourage you to do so by clicking on the link in the description. So let's go back to today's example. We're going to see a character in a dark room making a couple of online purchases, but the problem is that he may not be using his own credit card, and the bank system picked up on it. So let's watch it. Now let's watch it again and highlight some of the key parts that can be personalized. We can see that our character is navigating around an e-commerce store looking for products to purchase. Given that the location or the website where the suspicious activity took place is known, these frames could be replaced with a short video snippet showing the same location or website. As we continue through the video, we can see that certain products have been purchased. As part of the personalization, the products shown could be displayed dynamically, matching the products of the actual transaction. The final scenes of this short video shows the actual alert listing all recent transactions that were picked up as suspicious transactions by the bank's algorithms. As with traditional email alerts, the personalized video should also include a phone number that the user can click on or a button to direct the viewer to a relevant pre-filled landing page for further actions. I hope you enjoyed watching this video on how banks can use personalized videos to alert customers about suspicious activities on their account. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on video personalization. If you're unsure about how your business can use personalized videos, feel free to get in touch with us via Cine-Q.com. Thank you for watching.